Hey everyone, you're sitting at your kitchen table, staring at a stack of bills. You've got rent, utilities, and credit card payments due. You need to pay them, but you're not sure how. You know Ally Bank is an online bank, but can they actually send you a check? Hook. Let's find out. Context. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and low fees. But can they do something as traditional as sending a check? Main content. Asterisk the short answer, yes, Ally Bank can send a check. While Ally Bank is primarily an online bank, they do offer the option to request a paper check. This can be helpful in situations where you need to pay a landlord, a service provider, or a business that doesn't accept electronic payments. Asterisk how to request a check. To request a check from Ally Bank, you'll need to log into your online banking account. Once you're logged in, look for a section related to checks or payments. There should be an option to request a check. You'll typically need to provide the payee's name, address, and the amount of the check. Asterisk check delivery. Ally Bank will mail the check to the address you provide. The delivery time may vary depending on your location and the postal service. If you need the check urgently, you may want to consider using a faster shipping method. Asterisk fees associated with checks. While Ally Bank doesn't charge a fee for requesting a check, there may be fees associated with using the check. For example, some businesses or individuals may charge a fee for accepting checks. It's important to check with the recipient before paying by check. Asterisk alternatives to checks. Asterisk if you prefer to avoid using checks altogether, Ally Bank offers several alternative payment options. These include asterisk bill pay. You can use Ally Bank's bill pay feature to pay bills electronically. Asterisk ACH transfers. You can transfer money between bank accounts using the Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) network. Asterisk debit card. Ally Bank offers debit cards that you can use to make purchases in person or online. Asterisk conclusion. While Ally Bank is primarily an online bank, they do offer the option to request a paper check. This can be helpful in situations where you need to pay a landlord, a service provider, or a business that doesn't accept electronic payments. However, it's important to consider the fees associated with using checks and explore alternative payment options. Call to action. If you have any questions about requesting a check from Ally Bank or using their other payment options, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.